I'm guessing it's going to be similar to, what was it, a Game Boy? Probably like a mid-grade board. Some gold maybe for the guys who take out, extract the gold from boards and whatnot. A few more screws. I'm trying to do this as fast as I can. Oop. A little clumsy today with a screwdriver. So we have 4 crappy batteries. I doubt those work. I didn't even try testing to see if these work. My best guess is they probably still do work, but I've looked them up online and they don't sell for much.